3,500. It's only 3,500 for an ad.
All right. It's pretty good. Wowzers. Okay.
Dude, I've never made.
Setup, dude. Like what the fuck, man?
What
Your
do you mean?
setup is
Suzanne
nuts.
is
Like
petting
you're in
Sophie's
one
bum.
room and then you go into the
wires?
kitchen.
Oh yeah. Well, I mean, it's just like, it's just connected. Like,
Okay. Okay. Like when I was watching your streams, it looked like it's in a completely different area.
Oh yeah. I mean, it is a different area. It's just like my kitchen is just connected to the living room.
I see. I see. I didn't know it was so close. You know. I thought there was some more distance.
Oh shit. Yo, stop throwing tomatoes.
Yo, what the fuck is that? A gimbal?
No, this is just like the mic stand.
I got
Dude,
Yeah, I did say Kebabs is autistic. No, I asked. I was like, is this person autistic? I didn't say they were. I asked.
hold on, let me get the chat up.
I was curious.
The whole chat has autism, Trunkster.
The whole chat has
Normalcy
autism.
went down the drain in
Normalcy went
season
down the
2.
drain in season 2. How long have you been streaming, dog?
So season two that Car is talking about started last February.
Bennytron seriously has amazing music. Give him a listen on YouTube.
Oh, thanks.
Wait, you have music, dude?
Thanks.
Moldy cheese.
Yeah,
I didn't know this.
as well.
Oh shit, dude.
I can't
The moldy
fucking
cheese trap of the floor griddle. Dude, no, this is bacon juice, I think.
Yes.
Honestly, I don't know what all is in here, but it's been sitting there for fucking like
Moldy cheese trap.
Like 10
connected
months.
to what, dude? What is that connected to?
it's part of the floor
Asian
griddle.
rapper.
What
It's
do you
part of the
mean
floor.
where you need to collect cheese from the floor.
No, it's not cheese. It's
Why don't you know? who
it's
will
bacon
get
juice,
the
I think.
camel?
The best Asian rapper, says Ben. Thanks, Ben.
I only knew that he cooked cake. I saw him cooking, dude. I didn't know you were a rapper.
Dude, I barely cook.
Grease.
I barely
People were
rap, too.
Grease trap.
Yeah, why don't you know your guests, Camel? What's going on?
What do you mean, dude? I know you cook,
I
dude.
don't
And
know
that,
you
listen,
either.
dude.
Like what?
That's
You
the
put
point.
that sink
That's
cheese
literally.
away.
Okay, can I ask
It's
you
not sink
something?
cheese
Is
cake.
it pronounced
Yeah, what's
camel
up?
or how do you pronounce your name? Camel?
It's pronounced Kumlo.
Kumlol. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Kumlol. I like that.
It's like a lot of people get it wrong, but it's pronounced.
I thought you were calling him camel as a derogatory
We haven't
term.
even derogatory term. Yeah, he wasn't pronouncing it right, but
I am feeling a
Kumlo.
little spicy
yes, it's
tonight.
pronounced Kumlo.
Kumlol. My name is
KMLUL.
actually pronounced Benny Dong. You guys, the Dongster. It looks like the Trongster, but it's like an Asian spelling. So it's
Who knows?
pronounced the Dongster.
Oh, the Dongster.
The Dongster, yeah.
Yo, hell yeah, dude. I'm with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kumlo.
Kowalewiacy.
We got
Police.
some
LUL
coomers and
means
some-
dick
some
in Dutch.
dong-
but okay.
Lol means dick, coom dick. Wait, was that you that told me that the other day, Unstable? Somebody told me that the other day.
Kim Jong's
Dude.
camel. That's pretty dope. That's like a rapper name, dude. That's like a mixtape series title.
Dude, yo, stop it, zombie. Dude, we haven't even started cooking yet, dude.
Hey, yo, should I start?
Yeah, what do you think we should start on here?
I was thinking the potatoes. I'm gonna do the potatoes while I wait for my beef to defrost. I don't know what the condition is.
Oh, yeah, yo, I gotta... Okay, mine's like sitting out.
Okay, and
Actually, I think mine's...
I'm gonna put on the potatoes, and I also need that to come to temp. So.
Yo, Danny, was that Danny
My
Denim?
name is pronounced cum dumpster.
Yo, Danny Denim's... My name is pronounced cum dumpster.
Where are